In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to your videos using CapCut. Whether you want to include background music, voiceovers, or sound effects, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. If you don't have it yet, it's available for free on both iOS and Android. Now let's create a new project. Tap on New Project to get started. Now select the video clip you want to edit and then tap Add at the bottom. Now let's add some audio to your project. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several options. Here you can find Add Audio. Now you'll see options like sounds, brand music, sound effects, extract, text to audio, voiceover. Now to add music, tap on sounds. Here you can browse through CapCut's library of free music tracks. Once you find a track you like, tap on it and then hit the add button. Like this. Now if you want to add your own audio file, it's super easy. Go back to the audio section and click on extract. Now here you can extract audio from any video which you've imported, or you can simply select any one like this and click on extract to add audio. Now if you want to add a voiceover, here's how to do it. Click on record and tap on the blue button and simply do the voiceover. You can simply start speaking, and when you're done, tap the stop button. You can adjust the position of the voice over in your timeline and trim it if needed. Once you've added your audio, you might just want to adjust the volume. Click on volume and use the slider button to adjust the volume. And don't forget to check the fade in and fade out options for smoother transitions, which is you can find here like this. Today we're diving into Snap. And that's it. You now know how to add audio to your videos in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.